girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have NF here with the song called Motto. I think it's the first time we have NF here, and it's about time. A cool artist. He done his own thing here. He has his own style, so we'll look at this song. And we will start with the caposet here on the 3rd fret. And with that, we have a couple chords to look at. So let's start with the A minor. We have open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have E next, so that is open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. We have C, so that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. And finally, we have D minor. So that is open D, second G, third B, and first E. Alright, so we will have this strumming pattern going on. It's a pretty long one. We'll start with the A minor, that is the first chord. And this is divided into 2 different parts. So we will look at the first part here. It starts with down, down, clap, down, up. Okay? So grab the A minor and we'll play down, down, clap, down, up. Okay, again. That's the first part. The second part continues up, down, clap, down, up. Okay, so if we connect these 2 parts, it will be down, down, clap, down, up, clap, down, up. And a couple rounds of it sounds like this. So we're ready for this chord progression. It goes in the same way through the entire song, and it will start with A minor, 1 full round, then E, C. All right, so far we're half in. 1 full round for the following chords: A minor, E, C. And then you're gonna play D minor, part 1, so the down, down, clap, down, up. And then you switch to E and play part 1 again, so down, down, clap, down, up. And that is the end of this chord progression. So to summarize this, A minor, E, and C. You're gonna play 1 full string around per chord there, and then you go to D minor and E, you play part 1 for both these last 2 chords. And that chord progression goes through the entire song. So let's do 1 full chord progression round. And so on. Alright guys, that is NF Motto. Hope to see you very soon again. Until then, play tuned.